Hello everyone, this is your English teacher Hassan. Today we have a new English lesson. Today we are going to talk about reported speech. But before we move deeper, let us know how many parts do we have for the speech itself. Actually, we have two types. The first one is the direct speech. The direct speech looks like when someone say that Sarah said or she said, I want to go home and lift. Now in this case, we are telling the same exact words that said by someone. So we are telling the exact words. In this way, this is the direct speech. We are telling something said by someone, but we are using the exact words. Now the indirect speech, we change the sentence to a different one. So let's have this example. She said, I want to go home. And here, focus on the quotation marks. Here we have quotation marks, okay? Because we are telling the exact words. To tell the others that here we are using the same words. But be cool, because reported speech is commonly used in writing, okay? But in speaking, you don't have to use the reported speech and the indirect way. You can use the direct way. You can tell the others that my friend yesterday told me that my brother said I am hungry, and it will be okay. Okay, now the second one is she wanted to go home. So as you can see here, we changed many things. Now why do we use reported speech? Actually, we use reported speech to report what someone has said. So we are talking about the speech itself. Someone has said, to report what someone has said. Now how can we report, or how to use reported speech? First of all, we have to define the type of the sentence. We have to define the type of the sentence because, we have three types. Now, the first one is the statement, and this is our concern for today. The second type is the command, when someone orders you to do something, when someone orders you to do something. For example, open the door, this is a command. Keep silent, this is a command, okay? And we have the question. But today our concern will be statement. And next time we will explain the question and commands. First of all, I have to define the type. Now, how can I define the type of the sentence? Actually, I can notice here that there is no question mark. Or here, for example, there is no question mark. There is a dot or period here. Also, the sentence itself, doesn't start with a verb. There are no verbs here. It started by a subject. And this way, this is a statement, After I define the type of the sentence, I move to the second step, which is to change the person or the pronoun, the one who speaks. Then I change the tense, then I change time expressions and place, or the expressions of time and place. Now, how can I change the tense? We have here a table, and you can memorize it. It is so easy. Cool. So verb 1, if I have a verb in the verb 1, or if I have a verb 1 in the sentence, it changes to be verb 2. Then if I have verb 2, it changes to verb 3. Because, reported speech, it's like one step backward. And here we are going one step for back, Had verb 3 changes to had verb 3. Because we cannot go back. Am is are plus the verb ing. It becomes was, were, and verb ing. Was, were, with verb ing changes to had been verb ing. The past form of has and have is had. So has and have, verb 3, changes to had, verb 3. Can to could and could stays as it is, will would and would stays as it is, and may might is the same, shall, should, and must, had to. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is the sentence. Someone said, I want to go home, then left. Okay, the first step is to define the type of the sentence, and you can notice here that this is a statement. Then I change the pronoun. Here we have I. Okay, now according to what? Let me clean this one. Sarah told me, okay, Sarah told me that it is an optional one, so you can write it or you can leave it. Okay, anyway, Sarah told me that. Now this is the pronoun. Now the pronoun I changes to she or he. It depends on the speaker. Okay, itself. It depends on the speaker. Now, the speaker here is female, and that's why we use she. By the way, there is a table for pronouns that you can really memorize, and it will be given to you, inshallah. Sarah told me that she, because here the speaker is female. Okay? Sarah told me that she want as the tense. And you can notice here that the tense is verb 1. It is verb. Okay, want changed to verb 2. So she wanted to go home. Let us assume that here we have I want to go home now. Okay? Now is a time expression that should be also changed. Now changed to now then. Okay. How to change expressions of place and time also. There is a table. Tomorrow, the next day, or the following day, yesterday, the previous day, or the day before, now, then, this night, that night, in this way, okay? And now let's move to solve some exercises. Hello everyone. Let's continue what we have started before. Now, the question here asks you to rewrite the sentences below using reported speech. Now, before I start solving these sentences, let me remind you that we have a table for time expressions and place that you can memorize. Before, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before, last night, the night before, or the previous night, tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. This changes to that, and here changes to there. Okay, I like ice cream, he said. The first step is to define the type. Be careful, the type of the sentence. So this is a statement. This is a statement, okay? Because first of all, there is no question mark, and also the sentence starts with a subject. There is no verb at the beginning of the sentence. And also you can notice here that there is a quotation marks. Once you see the quotation marks, you already understand that this is a reported speech, okay? Sammy told me, so the speaker is Sammy, and the doer here is I. So because here we have I, and we are talking about Sammy, I becomes what? Because Sammy is a male, he. Sammy told me, he, and here you can write that. And I told you before that it is optional. It is optional. You can write it or you can omit it. Sammy told me that he, what is the tense? What is the verb? Like is the verb. And like, as you know, is a verb. No, it is a verb 1. Excellent. It is a verb 1. Now, like is a verb 1, and verb 1 changed to what? To verb 2. Now, let's do it. That he, okay, liked ice cream. And that's it. This is a reported speech. It is so easy. Okay, the next one. Someone, or my sister, said, I'm living in London now. Great. Sarah said, because Sarah is my sister, okay? Sarah said, you can write that. It is also an optional one. Sarah said that, okay, here the pronoun is I. And we have Sarah. She is a female. And I like this name, by the way. I is related to Sarah, okay? Sarah said that she, this is the pronoun. Let's change the tense. What is the tense? Am living. Excellent. Am living as the tense. This is a present continuous. Am is are. Change to was and were. Excellent. Change to was and were. So, because here we have she, and she is singular, so we use was. That she was, let's continue, living in London. We have time expression here. We have now. Be careful. Okay, now here becomes or changed to then. So that she was living in London then. And that's it. Let's try one more one. I haven't seen Julia here. Nadia informed. Informed is the same of said or told. Okay? Nadia said that. Okay? I also here refers to Nadia. Okay? To Nadia. That she haven't seen as the tense. Excellent. Haven't seen as the tense. So Nadia said that she haven't has changed to had. But because here we have a negative form, we use not. Hadn't. Okay? That she hadn't seen Julia. Oh, we have time expression here. Here. This is the place expression. Nadia said that she hadn't seen Julia here. Okay? Here, change to what? To there. You are great. Excellent. The last one. The sun rises from the east. This is a fact. The scientists say. Okay, now he said that the sun, because the sun is the sun. Oh, let me tell you something. If you have a scientific fact, it won't be changed. Okay? You cannot change, you cannot report the scientific facts. Because here we have a fact, so the sentence will be as it is. Okay, that the sun rises from the east. Okay? So one more time. Again, we use reported speech to report what someone has said, and we have to define the type of the sentence, to change the pronoun, the person, and to change the tense, and finally to change the time expressions and the place expressions. That's it for today. See you next time.